Hello there everyone, this is Farhan and welcome to the Designer's Vlog. So recently I watched Jujutsu Kaisen and I really liked it. I wanted to make a video about it and here we are. We'll be using real photos and try to replicate it in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. I decided to take this scene. This is the moment where Itadori just ate Sukuna's finger. I tried to find good stock photos but couldn't find a proper one. So I had to take my photo. I'm kinda skinny but muscular. Oh man, I like the liquify tool. First I'll follow the anime version and then I'm gonna recreate it in my style. I kinda look Ace from One Piece, or maybe Luffy or Spider-Man. Or I can be a dancer. Anyway, let's bring Yuji's hair. I don't need my head right now, so I'm gonna place the hair here of course. Yuji's hair has 2 layers. I need to create that as well. It's not exactly black, but this is gonna be a night photo, so everything will be very dark. Next I'm gonna draw the tattoo. I'll be using the pen tool for that. You know this tattoo means something. In Edo period, criminals or prisoners have this type of hand tattoo. Remember Kakuzu from Naruto? He has the same type of tattoo in his hand. Makes sense, right? Once the one side is done, I'll just need to copy it for the other side. I missed one thing. I forgot to wear the belt. But no need to worry, Photoshop got my back. I need to do some warp and mask these areas out. Next I'm gonna fill up the background. This city photo looks good, but I don't like this sky. Let's change it. If I place a moon and lightning, does it look good? Probably I'm gonna change it. Or maybe I will place them in my version. Okay, everything is placed. Now I need to match the color and luminosity with the background. I need to make it a lot darker. Let's use some curves, levels, selective color or anything, whichever works. Also I need to add highlights. I'm gonna add blue highlights at the top areas and some orange or yellow at the lower areas. The background should be blurry. Let's try tilt shift blur. Also I wanna add some bokeh here. At the bottom of the photo I wanna add some smokes, mist or particles, just a tiny bit. After adding the camera filter, here's the final result. But wait, don't go. Main fun of this video is yet to come. In this version, I follow the anime scene. Now I'm gonna recreate it in my way. First, I wanna change the skin color. I wanna something red. If I have a glowing tattoo, wouldn't that be awesome? That looks much cooler, don't you think? How about glowing hair like Super Saiyan? Maybe I should follow the original hair color, but glowing. Okay, I did some small changes and here is my version. Let's compare it between these 3. My version is kinda too much, but it looks cool, I think. Let me know what you think about it. Also, you can suggest me your favorite anime scenes and I'll try to recreate it with real photos. This could be a fun series for my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to ring the bell to stay notified. Thank you so much for watching this video.